Hey, it's Fantastic Share back again with another video. Today we'll be doing a taper on an afro. I'm starting out by setting my bald line in a U shape. And I'm gonna follow that by setting in my first guideline, which is my JRLs open, and following that U shape about a ½ an inch up. Once I've set that in, I'm gonna go in and close my lever and then work it open until I blend out the bald line into the one that I've created. Now I'm just doing some clipper over comb to blend in that afro with the taper, and I'm taking my Andis Fat Masters with the lever open, which would be a 2, to set in my next guideline, and then I'm just going to fade that in with my lever closed and then work it open until I blend that. I'm just going to line up the back now just to get that going. So now I'm going to follow those similar steps that I did in the nape area and do that on the temples. I'm setting in my bald line in a round shape. And then following with my JRLs open. And I'm not going to set it up as high as I did in the back because it's a smaller area to work with. So just use your discretion and also work with the size of your client's head or how they want their taper to be. It's going to be the same steps I did in the back. Start with the lever open to set the guideline in, then close it and work your way up.
Are you kidding me?
I did the same steps on the other side as far as the taper goes. I'm doing my edging around the ear. Always make sure to pull the ear back just so I can get a good cut around it without harming the client. And just using my edges just to get that shape started. So I picked this hair out completely, and now I'm just going over with my JRLs closed to start the shaping process. Oh, so you really playing and you ain't subscribed? Stop playing with me. Subscribe. I was just going over with him to see if that was a good length for him. He wanted to go shorter, so I'm going to pick his hair out again and then use, I started using my detachable clippers to shape him up. You can use those with a 3/0 or a 5/0 on them to shape up here. Right, so we're getting into the lineup. I started with doing the front lineup first. I set the vertical bar in just a little bit, but not as harsh as I needed to, and I just was going back over it. This is not really a good lineup video. I was standing in the way for a lot of it. I don't know what was going on with me, but nevertheless, as you can see what this lineup is looking like now, you can see it there, but I did add some enhancements just to make it pop a little bit more. So as you can see what it looked like before and what it looks like now, it definitely brought that vertical bar out a little bit more, just made it be more prominent. So I just used some holding spray, a very firm holding spray, and place that on the hairline, and then I'm just going back over with the fibers. I ordered all this stuff off of Amazon. And then I'm just going over with my edges just to cut away any of the fibers that might be on his forehead or in the wrong areas. Alright, so I'm giving you all a 360 of what it's looking like, giving my client a 360 of what it's looking like. And here we have our finished product. And remember to go ahead and like and subscribe to the video. It's free. You don't have to pay nothing to do it. I would really appreciate it if you do. Thanks for watching.